Hello and welcome to Canning Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a La Pavoni. We did the standard La Pavoni tune-up as well as tighten the base on this wonderful machine. Let's see how we did. Bringing some water into the chamber. And here we go. There you go, that's a nice shot of coffee. There you go, got some nice crema. Let's check the steam over here. Nice strong dry steam, very nice. There you have it. Oops, out of the way, excuse me. Thank you very much for repairing with Canning Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.